Hello, Lucas here from LW Sonics, and now I can show you how I use the samples that I recorded in the last reel. So now let's listen to a drum beat. Now let's add in the snare sample. With the sample on its own, you can actually hear the exact reverb of the room we recorded the samples in. And now let's add in a band for some music and turn off the sample. And this is how I use my own samples and create my own unique sound. If you want to know more about this, just hit me up with a DM and let's talk about your next big production. All the best. Bye bye.